Hi students, welcome back to our channel. Now we are going to discuss about the seventh problem from the exercise 4.1. Let us observe question. Find x if 2 to the power of minus 3 is equal to 1 by 2 to the power of x. Here we have given that 2 to the power of minus 3 given as an 1 by 2 to the power of x. Okay, so here we need to apply a formula. What is that formula? That is, if 1 by a to the power of n is given to us, this can be written as a to the power of minus n. By using this formula, I can write this 1 by 2 to the power of x. I can write 1 by 2 to the power of x as a 2 to the power of minus x. And in this equation, as the bases are equal, then we can equate the powers. So from this, what we can take that minus 3 is equal to minus x. So both minus will get cancelled. From this, we get x value as a 3. Here, as the bases are equal, powers are also equal. This concept we have used here.